I bought the dip.
Beast, I swear to God, you need to like this video and watch it until the end, because I am going to jam pack this video with solid information that you need to make better decision with your investment in Bionano. So what's going on, investors? My name is Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment, where we talk about Bionano Genomics every day. So I'm going to tell you guys a breaking news that is happening right now. We have McCarthy from Maxim Group. He is out again reiterating his buy rating on Bionano Genomics Stock and a price target of $10. Jason is not the only bullish analyst out there on Bionano Genomics. We have Kevin Degeda from Oppenheimer with a price target of $14. We have Sung Jing Nam that initiated the coverage of Bionano Genomics just 2 weeks ago. She has a price target of $10 as well. And of course, we have Jeffrey Cohen from Landebog Talma and Co. with a price target of $12. So right now we have a consensus price target of $11.5. And that gives us about 75.30% upside from present level, because Bionano Genomics closed today at 3.82%, closing at $6.53. Dr. Alexandra is the one person that I know that is working with Bngo and working with Bionano Genomics simultaneously. So this man is the one person that has enough information about what is going on in the sequencing world and of course the optical genome mapping world, okay? Because you know there are a lot of analysts out there saying that analysts like Simon, of course, from ARK Invest, saying that Bionano Genomics optical genome mapping at one point in time is not going to be superior anymore, because Bngo is coming up with a technology that is going to make the long read sequencing technology, you know, much more superior than Bionano Genomics in the next 4 or 5 years. Okay, so Dr. Alexandra has been in beast mode lately. Since yesterday, he has been sharing tons of information about Bionano Genomics. Okay, I mean, I don't know why, because this man is not even invested in Bionano Genomics. He said it himself. So we are going to start. Let's just go down a little bit from where you can see from July 7 he shared this next generation cytogenetics is on its way. Okay, then once again let's go down a little bit. So this is another thing, you know, he also shared yesterday. He went on a tweet. Look at that, guys, crazy. I mean, he said we are pleased, you know, we are very pleased to share the results of these 2 proof of concept studies. Okay, this of course about next generation cytogenetics. So this man, even at one point, he was saying he has no he was never paid by Bionano Genomics. I'm going to yeah, here, full disclosure. He said, full disclosure, also as also stated in the manuscript, Bionano contributed some reagent in these studies. Other than that, I have no financial interest. I have not received any payment by Bionano Genomics and do not have any stock in Bionano. So whatever this man is saying, I mean, he truly means. This is the kind of scientists that, you know, I love reading from. They don't have any financial interest in whatever it is they talk about. They just care about their job, what they do, which of course happens to be helping humanity right now. So the good news about this one is next generation cytogenetics is coming, and according to Dr. Alexander Hoischen, Bionano Genomics Saphyr devices is 100% in concordance with all these old school cytogenomics, you know, methods. So as you can see from, for example, let's take a look at what he said right here. Okay, he said, I have been following this technology since over 7 years and met with the Bionano team and several times over this year's EGTB. Thanks everybody. Okay, here he said, we refer to OGM, to next generation cytogenetics, as it may do for cytogenetics what NGS did for sequencing. The transforms, you know, the art of cytogenetics to a digitalized, you know, automated, objective, high resolution discipline. So I mean, this man said a lot of things. You can easily go to his, you know, Twitter page and find tons of information on what he has been saying lately about Bionano Genomics. And just, you know, 7 hours ago he said this again. Look at that, guys. He said, and another manuscript in which we can show the power of long read technologies to identify hidden SVs. Here, a combination of Bionano Genomics OGM and Bngo i5 genomes helped to find a retrotransposon insertion that standard assays missed. So, I mean, this man is, you know, supporting PacBio and supporting Bionano Genomics. I have been following this man for months now, okay? I mean, whenever you go to PacBio page, you will find him there. Whenever you go to Bionano Genomics, you will find him there talking about optical, structural variations. And this man is the best person, in my opinion, that knows what is going on with these two companies. And the conclusion is, according to him, Bionano Genomics and PacBio, somehow their technology compensate each other. Okay, so that is the conclusion from Dr. Alexander Hoischen, in my opinion. And of course, he believes that Saphyr, Bionano Genomics, OGM, next generation optical genome mapping is going to take over all this old school technology, all this old school method like karyotyping, fish microarray, and so on and so forth. So that is the conclusion from Dr. Alexandra. Let's go to the next page. So this is another news that I would like to share with you guys. This news is from Tip Ranks. Okay, the title says, after soaring is 0.104% year to date, does Bionano have more room to run? So more or less what they are talking about here is, they talk about the market cap of Bionano Genomics, which at that point that they wrote this article was around 1.75 billion US dollars. And then they go ahead and they spoke about the Saphyr device. Okay, the bullish analyst remarked that at the beginning of this year, growing adoption of Saphyr system and so on and so forth. Then they went down again and they said Bionano delivered strong Q1 performance, which of course you guys know that they beat the Q1, okay, compared to what they reported last year, the first quarter of 2020. So they beat Q1 by 179% year over year, okay, because last year they reported about 1.1 million US dollars in revenue for the first quarter. So this year, first quarter, they reported 3.2 million US dollars. Then they went ahead, Bionano Genomics. Is it worth mentioning that Bionano shipped 11 Saphyr system in Q1 compared to 5 in the prior year? So last year, first quarter, Bionano Genomics shipped just 5 Saphyrs. In this quarter, they shipped 11 Saphyrs, okay? And of course, for the 2020, Bionano Genomics is promising, oh my god, what am I saying? 2021. So Bionano Genomics is promising 150 Saphyr devices for 2021. And then he went ahead, he said, Bionano, Eric Omni said, we are pleased Bionano has been added to Russell indices. Of course, we have been added to the Russell 2000 index, okay? I mean, in my opinion, very soon we are going to be added to the Russell 1000, okay? We just need to keep watching the space. Now, this writer also spoke about the Oppenheimer analyst Kevin DeGita that says, that recently met Bionano's management and reiterated his buy rating and a price target of 14 US dollars on the stock, which reflects a potential 12 to 18 month upside of 122%, from the current level. And the writer went ahead and said, according to Kevin DeGita expects Bionano's next generation optical mapping system to open up high volume markets like prenatal testing and certain international markets, i.e. in India, for example, that may benefit from higher throughput. So the 5-star analyst believes that Bionano launch of the next generation platform in 2023 would reduce cost of goods sold, COGS, per genome by 80%, okay? And I mean, that's more or less all about this article. There are tons of articles out there that are super bullish Bionano Genomics right now. So guys, let's quickly take a look at the technical analysis, because I want to blow your mind with something. So take a look at this, guys. This is my daily candlestick, okay? I mean, I drew this line for days now, and I told you guys, when the stock price was around this level, I told you guys that if these two support breaks, you guys should expect this support right here to hold, and if this breaks, then there is fire on the mountain, okay? So you guys can see today we opened around this level, around 5.94 US dollars. That's where we opened today, and the stock price closed at 6.56 US dollars, up 4.29%, okay? You guys can see that this support bounced the price. I made a tweet few hours ago that I bought the dip. I bought the dip around here. I bought the dip yesterday a little bit, and today I bought the final dip. I believe that is it. I mean, I believe that is the bottom, guys. I mean, I don't expect Bionano Genomics stock to go down and break this support line. If we break this support line dates back to December, as you guys can see, and in May we went to that 4.30 US dollars level, but we bounced. So I mean, it's obvious that we are going to bounce. We were going to bounce today, and that's what happened today. So now if the price continue to go higher, let me show you guys what I believe is going to happen next. So we have a resistance right here. Okay, this area, this is a flag. Okay, this right here, now we have a flag going on. So this resistance right here is where we have to break to the upside. Okay, if we break this resistance, then we are coming back to my consolidation zone that I spoke about several times. I told you guys that if this consolidation zone breaks, the price was going to come down, and that's what we saw so far. So we need to go up and go back to this consolidation zone, then we can finally start to go higher again. I mean, guys, you guys know that I have a price target, in 5 years. $100 is my price target in the next 5 years. So I mean, every day, I talk about this stock, but still you guys have to keep in mind that this is a long-term play. Okay, this is not a short-term or day trading play. So I care about what is happening every day, but I am not closing position or be super worried about what is going on with Bionano Genomics right now. That's why, of course, I make videos every day to let you guys know what I am doing and what is going on with the company. So the breaking news that I shared with you, let me remind you once again, we have Maxim Group Analyst, coming out again, reiterating a price target of $10 and a buy rating, maintaining its buy rating on Bionano Genomics. So guys, I believe that's all I have for you guys in this video. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investments. Please destroy the like button and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. Beast mode, baby. Ciao, ciao.